in this question, we need to find the speed of the wave, given that we know the distance between adjacent crest, which is 4.5 meters, and we know that the wave crest is hitting the cliff every 6 seconds, right? So if I draw this situation, like imagine this is the cliff, and we got a wave, okay, and the crest are supposed to be these points, 1, 2, 3, and troughs are these points, okay? These are crests, these are troughs. We are not interested in troughs, we are only interested in crests right now. So crests are hitting every 1 second, every 6 seconds, and the distance between in the adjacent crests is 4.5 meters, and that is the wavelength lambda for this wave. Okay, the distance between adjacent crests is supposed to be the wavelength of the wave, and every 6 seconds the crests are hitting the cliff. That means once this crest hits the cliff, and after the very next 6 seconds, this crest will hit the cliff. Okay, that means this 4.5 meters of distance is covered in 6 seconds, right? That we can use this information. So v equals f lambda, or you can use just speed equals distance upon time. Speed equals distance upon time. So the distance wave is traveling is 4.5 meters in every 6 seconds. Okay, so if you divide 4.5 by 6, that will be 4.5 divided by 6. That is going to be 0.75, which is 0.75 meters per second. Okay, so the right option is for option B.